That's you? You sure you ain't the police? Are you sure? What's my name?
Alright, man. We got your basic, we got that work, and we got that you're gonna be hungry for 3 months.
I'm gonna twerk for that word.
Alright.
Hey girl, what you doing?
Not sitting on my bed. What you want?
I'm hungry. I wanna go to Kickbacks. You wanna go?
I gotta drive on in the roadside, Lord. I am hungry though.
I'm just saying though. You know what I'm saying? I got you.
You do?
Tomorrow.
It's on you?
Tomorrow.
Oh, now it's on you.
Baby, income tax check. Oh, income tax check.
But I want sweet potato fries. Now, I noticed on this plate over here, this young lady has sweet potato fries over here, and they're crinkly. Now, do you make them crinkly by using like the hair crimper?
Or is it already come out?
No, it's a funny.
I'm so serious.
Bitch, you still gonna eat it anyway.
Have you heard of the goodness of the Lord? Yes, yes. Let me tell you about this goodness of Jesus. Yes.